Hi mga lalabs! Welcome back to my channel! Hi! Alam nyo ba, naghahanap lang ako ng place para makagawa na ng intro and extra para makapag-post na tayo. Anyways, ang isi-share ko ngayon is my own version of pork adobo. So why my own version? Because as you can see, there's a lot of style on how to cook pork adobo. Actually, not only pork adobo, may chicken adobo or fish adobo, ganyan. Wait, may fish adobo ba? I think fish adobo will turn into like fish steak, ganyan. You can make it vinegary na medyo sour taste yung dominant niya. May salty and may touch of sweetness naman. Yun. So in general, adobo is savory. It's all up to you kung ano yung preference mo. You can make it dry, you can make it saucy. But if you aim to keep it more longer, I would suggest you have to make it dry. So, let's begin. Ta-ta-ta! So, that is my own version of pork adobo. Please give a thumbs up kung nagustuhan ninyo. And don't forget to share and comment down below. Always remember this. Whatever happens, every day is a wonderful day. This is Ate Lalz once again. Please subscribe.